Alright y'all, here's a step-by-step tutorial on how to recover data loss on a smartphone or tablet due to failed updates, app crashes, or even those times when an incorrect factory reset happens. Okay, let's get into this step-by-step guide to fix smartphone or tablet data loss. Step 1. Stop using the device immediately. Why? Well, it's to prevent overwriting any deleted data. What you need to do is power off the device or just put it in airplane mode so it doesn't keep syncing. Step 2. Identify the type of data lost. Was it contacts, messages, photos, videos, documents, or maybe some app data? And was that data stored in the internal storage on an SD card or synced to a cloud account? Now step 3, check for cloud backups. For Android users, you'll want to look at Google Backup. Just go to Settings, then Google, and then Backup. Check the last backup date and what's included in there. You can also open Google Photos or Drive to see if your photos or documents are backed up. For those on iOS, check iCloud by going to Settings. Tap your username, then iCloud, and then iCloud Backup. Take a look at when the last backup happened. Step 4 is to restore from backup, if you've got one available. For Android, you'll need to do a factory reset and restore. So go to Settings, then System, then Reset Options, and choose Erase All Data. After the reset, log into your Google account and select your backup to restore. For iOS, erase and restore from iCloud or iTunes by heading to Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset iPhone, and then erase all content and settings. From there, you can choose Restore from iCloud Backup or use iTunes on your computer. Step 5. Use file recovery apps or tools if you don't have a backup. For Android, you'll want to connect your device to a PC using a USB cable and make sure file transfer is enabled. Then you can try tools like Dr. Phone, Data Recovery, TenorShare Alt Data, iMobi Phone Rescue, or Disk Digger if your device is rooted. For iOS users, you can give iMobi Phone Rescue for iOS, Dr. Phone, Data Recovery for iOS, or iMyPhone DBack a shot. Just a heads up, full recovery might require root access on Android, or you may need to disable iOS encryption for iTunes backups. Step 6. Try app-specific data recovery. Some apps like WhatsApp, Viber, or Telegram actually support their own cloud backups. All you need to do is open the app and follow the restore prompts. You can also use a file manager to check for hidden backup folders, like WhatsApp's databases folder, for example. Step 7. If your data was stored on an SD card, go ahead and remove the SD card. Use a card reader, then try scanning and recovering files with tools like Recuva, PhotoRec, or Easiest Data Recovery. Step 8. Prevent future data loss. Make sure to enable Auto Cloud Backup for your photos, apps, settings, and messages. And, it's a good idea to periodically backup manually to Google One, iTunes, or iCloud, or even external storage if you're on Android. Also, remember to enable backup within your apps like WhatsApp or Notes, just to be safe. Here are a couple of quick tips. The sooner you start the recovery steps, the better your chances of getting your data back. And don't do a factory reset again unless you have a backup or you're sure the data can't be recovered. If you want, I can suggest specific recovery software based on your device brand or OS version. Just let me know.